Liège is a city located in Belgium in the French-speaking region of Wallonia. Liège is one of the major cities in Belgium. Depending on the source, it ranks third or fourth in the list of the largest cities. A city with a majority of French-speaking people. When you travel to Liège by train, you will arrive at famous railway main station called Liège Belgium. The moment you arrive, you are shown the architectural beauty of the city. The design of the train station is impressively beautiful and elegant. The station is notable for its large, curved glass and steel roof, which stretches across the platforms and creates a spacious and open atmosphere. Liège has many interesting tourist attractions. One that is definitely worth a visit is the long-going staircase called Montagne de Bourron. This is a famous staircase in Liège consisting of 374 steps. It takes quite a while to walk up the stairs. Climbing to the top rewards visitors with a panoramic view of the city. If you walk through the city center on Sundays, you can visit the famous weekly market. Visitors can find a wide range of goods including fresh products, clothing, antiquities and more. The weekly market takes place along the Meuse River. From that place you can have a view of the city, standing at the bridge. Compared to other big cities in Belgium, Liège looks a bit outdated and run down in some places. But this embodies to a certain degree the uniqueness and the charm of the city. Since there are many students and young people living in Liège, they try to give the city an artistic touch. This is intended to beautify the city and to replace the old image. An image that was dominated by heavy industry. In summary, Liège offers a mix of history, culture and modern conveniences, making it an interesting and vibrant city to visit or live in. If you like this video, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.